Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm on holiday in the Lake District and right next to me, I'm in near Kendal and it's very nice. And right next to me there's a Haylage field being cut. I saw it being mown and didn't have my phone, didn't have a chance to video it, but they've just started baling, so let's see it. They've got a Kubota and what's looked like a Fendt. So yeah, let's get into the video. Here it comes. Fendt 415 with a McHale F5000 baler. It's quite a small scale farm. There's the pickup up. You can see the Kubota with the front loader over there. Round bales of haylage. Model. Through the hedge. Here comes the Kubota loader back again. Let's see. Ah, it's popping out. Trucks are coming. I can hear something. Here comes the Fendt. Up the hill. See, the farming in Lake District is totally different to ones around rural Cambridgeshire. Because, like, it's so nice to come over here, you know. I've just you know, started to be second cut of the early things. And it's just nice to see the sheep, the cows, and, you know, this kind of stuff. You don't get it much in Cambridge. It is nice, but I think I still prefer arable. Just all the machinery, stuff like that. So, and I'm trying to upload a bit more. It's just, you know, in the summer holidays and everything, so it's a bit better. Oh, he's finished. Finished already. He's putting the wheels off the pickup. It's the cottage that I'm staying in. Very good cottage, would very recommend. If anyone's watching. He's coming over here. Is he? No, he's just taking it wide. Nice thumbs up. Is he gonna stop? Oh. I'm guessing in 2012 they had a major overall or a really good harvest. of hay and bits because both their tractors from 2012. And the baler is too. I've been talking to him off camera. There he goes, just going around there. I think. It might have been him. It might have not. It's quite a nice one. I thought they might have been wrapping it in the field, but they obviously haven't. The sheep grazing. Very nice. No idea what breed they are. No idea. Typical arable farmer. Lovely views of the hills. Just waiting for the Kubota to come back. Anxiously waiting. Literally is a Kubota M9 540 12 plate with a Kubota loader on the front. The speed. So we got the back load. I don't know quite what it's called. Combo shot of the Kubota with the sheep.